Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hemi Walker is probably one of the most essential mobility aids for anyone recovering from a stroke or dealing with conditions affecting one side of their body. These specialized walkers offer unparalleled support and stability, enabling individuals to regain their independence and confidence. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great Hemi Walker and help you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. DMI Folding Hemi Walker, Aluminum, Silver. This walker provides the support and stability of a walker, but with the lightness and flexibility of a cane. It's ideal for those who only have use of one hand or arm. Made from anodized aluminum, this walker is strong enough to support up to 250 pounds. But it's also lightweight, weighing only 3.5 pounds, making it easy to carry. The walker folds down easily with one hand to a mere 2.5 inches wide. This makes storage and portability in small spaces a breeze. The height is adjustable from 30 to 35 inches in 1-inch increments. This allows you to set it at the most comfortable height for your needs. It features comfortable hand grips for added support. Slip-resistant rubber feet provide a firmer grip on the floor or pavement. Please note that it contains latex. What we like. This walker is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry and maneuver. It also features comfortable hand grips for added support. If you are looking for a walker that is easy to store and transport, this is a great choice for you. What people say. This has really helped him remain mobile. Great product. It worked great, and when I was ready to go home I looked for one on Amazon. Sturdy up to 250 pounds. Folds and carries easily. Adjustable height. Could be a little taller but does the job. Number 4. Carex Folding Hemi Walker. This is a one-handed walker designed for side-style walking. It's lighter than a standard walker but more stable than a cane. This product is perfect for those needing extra support. This adult walker is very sturdy, stable, and safe. It's constructed from 1-inch round aluminum. It provides reliable support for users, ensuring confidence with every step. The walker is height adjustable, with peg holes allowing adjustments from 30 to 35 inches. You can easily adjust it by pushing the buttons and sliding the tubes. This ensures a comfortable fit for various users. This mobility walker is incredibly light and easy to maneuver. It folds up for convenient storage and transport. It's an excellent alternative to a cane, offering greater stability. This small walker is perfect for stroke victims, the elderly, seniors, or anyone with walking difficulties. It's designed to provide the support needed to maintain independence. It is a great choice. Carex has been a leader in mobility solutions for over 35 years. They provide reliable and innovative products. You can trust them for quality and durability. What we like. This walker is specifically designed for one-handed use, providing stability and support. It is also height adjustable to suit your needs. If you have limited mobility in one arm, this walker will provide the support you need. What people say. It came fully constructed, which was very helpful. It was easy to adjust to my height. It is lightweight but sturdy. It offers me the support I need. It's foldable and that is a plus. Number 3. Lumex Walkabout Lite Hemi Rollator. This rollator is designed specifically for shorter adults, petite seniors, and children. Its proportions make it highly functional and efficient for your mobility needs. It's a small design, but big on features. The padded flip-up seat is only 20 inches high, which is lower than standard walkers. This offers a comfortable place to sit and rest at a height that's fit for you. It's designed with your comfort in mind. The ergonomic hand grips feature easy-to-use locking and quick-stop brakes. They are also height adjustable from 32 to 36.5 inches. This allows you to customize it for your perfect fit. The ultralight aluminum frame weighs only 14 pounds. It supports up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight for maximum maneuverability and stability. It's easy to handle and provides great support. It comes with large 6 wheels, a removable storage basket, and a padded backrest. Frame-mounted reflectors increase safety at night. It's designed to make your life easier and safer. What we like. This walker is designed with shorter adults and seniors in mind, with a low seat height for comfort. It also features a lightweight design for easy maneuverability. If you are a shorter individual looking for a comfortable and easy-to-use walker, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The seat height of 19 inches is perfect for a short person, and the 14-pound weight makes it easier to load into my SUV. It is lightweight and easily foldable to pick up and stow in the auto trunk. This one fits through 23 doors. Number 2. Drive Medical Hemi One-Arm Walker. This walker is specifically designed for individuals who have the use of only one arm or hand. It provides support and stability, making it easier to move around. It's lighter than a traditional walker, making it easier to maneuver. At the same time, it offers more stability than a cane, providing a secure base. The walker folds easily with just one hand, making it convenient for storage and transport. This feature adds to its overall ease of use. This is ideal for users who don't need a full walker but still require a wider base for support. It offers a balance of support and mobility. The overall dimensions are 16 inches long, 18.5 inches wide, and 28.5 inches high. The handle height is adjustable from 28.5 to 35.5 inches, and it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. What we like. This walker is ideal for those who need a wider base of support but don't require a full walker. It folds easily with one hand, making it convenient for storage and transport. If you need extra stability and support, this walker is a great option. What people say. The one-hand operation was perfect, much better and safer than a cane. It's sturdy and is exceptional for my mom's need. It's a great little one-handed walker, so much safer than a cane. It was also made by Drive, which I believe is a respected medical device company. Number 1. Medline Sidestepper Adult Hemi Walker. This walker features a lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. It's especially helpful if you only have the use of one arm. This makes it a great choice for those needing extra support. The Sidestepper offers more stability than a quad cane. It's designed to provide a wider base of support. This helps users feel more secure while walking. The height is adjustable in 1-inch increments. This allows you to customize the walker to your specific needs, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. It has a bi-level hand grip for extra assistance. This feature is particularly useful when getting in and out of chairs. It provides added support during these movements. This walker is designed to assist those with limited mobility. It is a reliable and supportive device. It is a great choice for those seeking independence. What we like. This walker is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even with one arm. It also features a bi-level hand grip for extra assistance. If you are looking for a walker that offers extra support when getting in and out of chairs, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It is strong, very sturdy, and able to support me when getting to and up off the toilet. Great tool, easy to fold. Great options for one-handed use. Sturdy and lightweight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.